Tutorial: Writing Instructions. This tutorial explains how to write instructions for an activity. Start the Activity Wizard. Click the Instructions button to begin writing instructions for this activity. This is the instructions text edit area. Both plain text and limited HTML syntax are supported. Refer to the help files for a list of supported HTML tags. Select the Preview as HTML tab to see how the text will appear. The instructions can contain multiple pages. This area allows you to navigate, add, and remove instructional pages. This text field shows the current page and the total number of pages. The less than button navigates to the previous page. The greater than button navigates to the next page. The plus button adds an instruction page. The X button removes the current page. Click the plus button to add additional pages. This ends the writing instructions tutorial.